In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional invoice that reflects your brand and communicates clearly with your customers. Customizing your invoice helps you stand out, reduces questions about charges, and makes it easier for clients to pay on time. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens your settings menu and is the doorway to everything related to how your forms look and behave. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This section is dedicated to the appearance of your sales forms and is where you'll design the layout, colors, and details that appear on your invoices. Next, select New Style at the top right and choose Invoice. This launches the invoice editor, where you can shape the look and content of your template. You'll see options to control layout, logo, colors, fonts, and the specific fields shown to your customers. Think about readability and brand consistency. Choose a color that matches your logo, pick a font that's easy to read, and make sure your company name and contact details are prominent and accurate. As you design, pay close attention to the information that matters most: invoice number, invoice date, due date, customer information, item descriptions, quantities, rates, amounts, and subtotals. If you collect tax, ensure the tax line is visible and clearly labeled. If you use custom fields, such as a project name or purchase order number, include them so your customers can reconcile invoices quickly. Consider adding a short, friendly message at the bottom with payment instructions, late fee policies, or a thank you note. Keep it concise and professional. Use the preview area in the editor to see changes in real time. Check alignment, spacing, and whether your invoice fits nicely on a single page. If your logo appears blurry, try a higher resolution version. Keep contrast high between text and background for legibility, especially if you use a colored header. Make sure totals stand out so customers can quickly identify what they owe and when it's due. When you're happy with the design and content, click Done at the bottom right. Your custom invoice template is now saved and ready to use. The next time you create an invoice, you'll be able to select this style so your branding and layout stay consistent across every customer bill. That's all it takes to create a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. A few thoughtful edits here can save you time, minimize confusion, and help you get paid faster.